Football creates heroes faster than any sport in the world. One magical season, one unforgettable tournament, one moment of brilliance, and a player can become a global superstar overnight. But football is also ruthless because just as quickly as stars rise, some disappear, not fade slowly, not decline naturally, but vanish from the spotlight entirely. Players once compared with legends suddenly forgotten. Stadiums that once chanted their names now silent. So, what really happens when football superstars disappear? Fans often believe football careers follow a simple path: rise, peak, and gradual decline. But reality is far more chaotic. Behind every vanished superstar lies a hidden story involving pressure, injuries, mental battles, career decisions, and sometimes the dark side of fame. Today, we explore footballers who once ruled headlines but later disappeared from the elite stage. Few players embodied power like Adriano. At Inter Milan, he was unstoppable. Explosive pace, thunderous shots, and a physical presence that terrified defenders. He was nicknamed the Emperor, a future Ballon d'Or contender. But tragedy struck when his father passed away. The emotional toll changed everything. Motivation faded, discipline slipped, personal struggles overshadowed football. What could have been a legendary career became one of football's greatest what if stories. Adriano didn't lose talent, he lost the inner drive that once made him unstoppable. Now let's talk about Dele Alli. At just 21, he looked destined to dominate football for a decade. Under Mauricio Pochettino at Tottenham, he scored goals, assists, had the creativity, and a fearless confidence. He was compared to England's greatest midfielders. Then came a sudden decline, managerial changes, tactical shifts, loss of rhythm, and eventually personal struggles that he later revealed publicly. Dele's story reminds us that football success is fragile and mental health can reshape careers more than talent ever could. Then we have Mario Balotelli. Few players symbolized unrealized potential like Mario. He had everything: physical dominance, technical brilliance, and a big match mentality. From Inter Milan to Manchester City and AC Milan, Balotelli delivered unforgettable moments. But inconsistency, controversy, and off field distraction overshadowed his talent. Balotelli didn't disappear because of lack of ability, he disappeared because elite football demands consistency as much as brilliance, and sometimes talent alone isn't enough. Another star that disappeared was Alexandre Pato. When Alexander Pato burst onto the scene at AC Milan, he looked like football's next global icon. He got speed, elegance, and clinical finishing, but recurring injuries became his biggest opponent. Each comeback was followed by another setback. Momentum disappeared and confidence faded. Pato's story highlights a brutal truth. Sometimes footballers don't lose their careers to opponents, they lose them to their own bodies.